What is Pi? Pi is a new cryptocurrency for and by everyday people that you can mine from your phone. Cryptocurrencies are a new form of digital money that is maintained and secured by a community, instead of by governments or banks. Today, you can mine or earn Pi by helping to secure the currency and by growing Pi's trusted network. While most cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin have been very hard for everyday people to use and access, Pi puts the power of cryptocurrency into the palm of your hand. How does this app work? How do I earn more Pi? This app allows you to earn Pi by making simple contributions to Pi's community. The more you contribute, the more Pi you earn. To start earning Pi, check in every 24 hours and hit the lightning button to start mining. Once you are mining, you can boost your hourly rate by inviting trusted friends and family to join the community. After 3 days of mining, you can boost your earnings more by building your security circle, which contributes to the overall security of the network. Keep in mind, earlier members of the network mine at a higher rate than those that come after them. This is the only currency you can mine from your mobile phone. All you need is a referral code to join. You may use our referral code as well. See the description below. So what are you waiting for? Join Pi.